Hi, today I'm going to show you what happens when you put super glue into a mixture of water and borax. We'll just pour some borax into the water, just like a scoop, small scoop. Stir it up. Something down in there, I don't know what that is. Then take your super glue and just squeeze it out right into the borax solution. This is a super glue gel instead of regular super glue, so it's a little more difficult to get out. But as you can see, the super glue mixed with the borax solution has turned into a crumbly slime that has crystallized when mixed with the borax solution. You can even take it and you can actually break it in half. And it does get warm. It gets warm on the inside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.